Then check the blade sharpness, and finally ensure the bolts are torqued correctly for safety.
Engine's off, brakes engaged, looks good. Brakes set, wheel chocks.
These fruits are collected in large bins, which are then utilizing a submerged conveyor and intense aeration. The system ensures a thorough cleaning of the fruit surfaces. Utilizing advanced air knife technology, this station efficiently removes residual water, creating a fine mist as the fruit passes through. The pineapples enter the warm wash section. Maintaining 80 degrees Celsius is crucial as the heat helps loosen dirt and wax. This multi-sensor sorting station combines various technologies. Pineapples pass through a tunnel with cameras and sensors, combining data for an overall quality score.
фрукти. Високошвидкісні камери роблять 3D-зображення кожного фрукта. Потім комп'ютерний аналіз ідентифікує та відхиляє.
We need to clear these faster for the next grade.
Right.
All right, lift the gate on line 3.
Utilizing fine mesh, the vibrating screens ensure optimal separation, allowing the juice to pass through while the pulp moves on to secondary processing.
The pomace is conveyed to collection areas where it falls into bins. The system automatically weighs the quantity.
At this initial screening stage, the juice is rapidly clarified, as coarse filters remove the remaining large pulp particles.
Maintaining a consistent flow rate is crucial for quality control as the golden liquid moves through the transparent piping system.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Reading stable. Maintain speed.
Using this multi-stage filtration system, the pineapple juice moves from coarse mesh to diatomaceous earth. This microfiltration system operates under controlled pressure. A periodic backflush cleaning
The agitation paddles vigorously mix the juice, ensuring a uniform product. This blending process is
Ferrets, trestable for stius ferrifictans.
Reason. The pH sensors continuously monitor the acidity.
The homogenizer ensures consistent texture in the juice. Juice under high pressure is forced through tiny valves.
As the juice enters the vacuum chamber, dissolved oxygen bubbles out and is evacuated by the system, significantly improving shelf life. Juice passes through a precision temperature control unit that brings it to exact packaging temperature. This prevents condensation in bottles and ensures filling accuracy. System verifies the pH is within the narrow range for optimal flavor and preservation, confirming the final quality checkpoint.
The juice oxygenation prevention system uses an inert gas blanket to protect the product.
This final inline blender ensures absolute uniformity. Juice from different batches is blended continuously to eliminate variation and maintain consistency. Inside the holding tank, slow-moving paddles gently agitate the mixture, ensuring a consistent product without incorporating excess air. Precision pressure control equipment like this ensures a smooth packaging line operation and consistent juice pressure.
The Brix level on sample 4 is slightly elevated. Noted.
Organoleptic properties are still within range, though.
Our quality assurance equipment ensures cap tightness. Bottles with faulty seals are detected and swiftly rejected. Bottles pass through cleaning tunnels where gentle sprays remove residue, followed by air drying to ensure they are spotless before packaging.
Is that lined up straight?
Yeah, set it down. Looks good.